Welcome to JewelCloud. My name is Michael and I'll be providing you a brief overview of how to manage your account and settings for your RingBuilder tool. Once you're logged into your account, you'll navigate to Apps at the top. Next, to start, in order to select your diamond dealers and set your diamond markups, you're going to want to click on Diamond Link. Now there's only two areas here that you really need to focus on in order to set this up for the RingBuilder tool. There's two sections here. One is dealers and then the markup section. I'm going to start with going to the dealers list. Now what you can see here is the names of each of the different diamond dealers that we currently have available for you to choose from. The next column here shows you the mined diamonds, lab-grown diamonds. You can click the column header to sort if you want to see who has the most, for example. And lastly, fancy color diamonds. Now to enable connection or disable connection from any of these virtual diamond inventories, you just simply check the checkbox on the far right hand side and then click the blue Update List button to save your changes before navigating to another page. You can also click to the right of any of the vendor names to see their information on the right hand panel to either view their profile, view their inventory, see their contact information if you need to follow up on a diamond inquiry. Now just below that, we have three different markup tables where you can set the markups for your diamonds for either mined, fancy color, or lab grown. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to show you the mined markup table. There are three methods that you can mark up the diamonds, either price, custom, or size. The default method that most of our retailers like to use is the price method, which functions by taking a preset cost range and then allowing you to set a percent markup in the right-hand field, which functions the same as, for example, if it's 95% markup, multiplying the cost by 1.95 to determine the retail price that displays on the tool. Now, if you go back up to Apps and then click on RingBuilder, we can see some of the other settings and options for the tool. The application preview will show you an older version of our tool so that you can come back later to see how other changes may affect the tool from any of the other options on the left-hand navigation. Also, on the right-hand side, you'll notice that there is color swatches here that allow you to change the color in the tool to match your website theme. You can click in the field here to use a color picker, or you can set manually a specific hex color code to match a specific color on your website. On the left-hand navigation, also if you go to markups, this is where you're going to need to go to set the markups for the ring settings themselves. The previous markup area was for the diamonds only. This area within RingBuilder is specifically for the ring settings, and this allows you to set a custom markup range, or you can just simply set a default markup across the board for all of those settings. Additionally, there is an options section for our tool with various options and sections for those options. For example, if you wanted to disable the pricing within the RingBuilder tool, you could come in here and set show price to no, and it would simply say call for price. Just below options, we do have the navigation filter settings, where you can, if you needed to, enable or disable lab-grown filters for the diamonds within the RingBuilder tool, for example. And lastly, I just wanted to show you that if you ever needed to browse through the diamond inventory that you're connected to, you can always go to Catalog at the top and click on View My Diamonds, where you can see an internal diamond search tool within JewelCloud. And that's going to conclude our training for the day. Have a great day.